Financial Jojo. My name is Josh. It is a beautiful Friday, although I can't say the same about yesterday. And just look at that sea of red. Yesterday was brutal. We did have a few peaks of green, but red, red, red as far as the eye can see on it. Currently, futures are down. S&P is down 0.47. Dow's down 0.44. And NASDAQ is down 0.40. So I would expect opening bell to be red for everybody today. The cause of all that red? Fed came out. Inflation surges to 7.5%, up from January of 7%. It is the highest since 1982. The consumer price index for all items rose 0.6 in January, driving up the annual inflation to that 7.5%. It is the biggest gain since February 1982 and was even higher than the estimates. On a positive note, though, the weekly jobless claims declined to 223,000, below the estimated 230. So let's see what the feds think about this. The St. Louis Federal Reserve Bank President James Bullard, he's hawkish. He wants to see a full percentage point higher by July. But you see, the feds, they really need to balance this. They can't go too fast. They can't go too slow. And they're already getting slack for going too slow to get the inflation under control. It's running hotter. Make sure everybody's confident that they're going to get this inflation in control. Because it's going hot, it's going hot, it's going hot. They got to cool it down. In other news, AFRM shares plummet 21% after the company releases financial results early. So let's see. The stock dropped Thursday after the company reported fiscal second quarter results ahead of schedule. AFRM, if you don't know, is one of the buy now, pay later companies. So why would they release their results ahead of schedule? What is that? So it was released on Twitter and then deleted. Somebody messed up. Somebody posted that early. Did they say why? They're claiming it was a human error. Somebody got fired on that. Whoever manages their Twitter, I'm sure, is gone. Let's take a look at that drop after hour. Ooh. Woo! That is pain. So let's see if I can get that to work here. That was a big drop. That was 35% almost, and then it bounced back up. And then after hour trading, it's down another 7%. So 21% down for the day. And we're seeing that. We saw it with Meta. I mean, just getting hammered after missing their earnings calls. And that's, big companies are getting slammed. It's not just the little guys. It's the big companies getting slammed. I mean, seeing a 20% drop in Meta, 20%, that's 30%, I should say. I mean, that's crazy. Just showing you how volatile the market is right now. Rotate into the financials, hoping for some green days. That's what I've been doing. I'm very bullish. I see the U.S. economy growing, but we just got to get past all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. This FUD, we've already priced in the price hikes, the interest rate hikes. It's already been priced in the market. And when the Fed comes out, everybody fear sells. Just take a breath, man. Got this. So I'm bullish. I take these red days. I'm buying. So let's see where the top analyst, click the right stuff this time. So they're seeing this at a 103.86 is where the top analysts put this. That's a 76.99% upside, and it's a moderate buy right now. Man, it just got crushed on that, though. But another interesting article I saw, and you guys have been hearing me talk about Gemini and buying metaverse plays, Sand, Decentral, and Mana. I've been dollar cost averaging into Sandbox. One of my favorite plays right now. Also really love the stablecoin over at Gemini because the 8%, I mean, all day, every day on that one. But back to Sandbox. So Gucci just bought a plot of virtual land in the Sandbox. If you haven't heard me talk about Sandbox, buying sand over there. One of my favorite plays. Lots of other YouTubers are loving it. See it all over all the crypto forums I'm in. It's going to go places. So let's see. What is Gucci doing? They bought a plot of land for an undisclosed amount. Says it's expanding online concept store to create interactive experiences. And really, this is where it's going, guys. You know, this is the metaverse that I see where you can order stuff, they ship it to your house. You get to look it, feel it, touch it. That's going to be a perfect retail metaverse play. So let's take a look. Sandbox, use this sand. Today, looks like it's down about 2.33%, but that's what I'm talking about, the dollar cost averaging. It's up 22% over the last week. And for the month, it's back to where it was. I know we had that dip, but you know who didn't dip a bunch? Sand. Steady as she rolls, my guys. And my other favorite metaverse play right now, it's going to be Mana. One of these two are going to be big money. I can see sand going to $8, maybe $10. Just wait for it to get added to all the other big exchanges. You got your Coinbase, all that. Not there right now. It's on Gemini. They just added to Kraken. I'm buying it. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out my Moomoo link down there. $100 deposit. Get a free Lucid stock and up to 5 free stocks depending on the different deposit amounts. And also, as we were just discussing, Gemini link, get $10 in free Bitcoin using my link below, and you can buy sand, you can buy mana. Metaverse's plays are there, has the stable coins. Loving it. I'll see you guys